Welcome back. We have got one more step left to go to complete the creation of our Food Vision Mini demo directory, and that is with a requirements.txt file. You may have already created this. Last video, we ended with a challenge of creating it. So I'm just gonna fill this out a little bit, creating a requirements file for Food Vision Mini, and it's going to be called requirements.txt. And let's just write down here, the requirements file will tell our Hugging Face space what software dependencies our app requires. So we need Torch. Let's write down here. The three main ones are Torch, Torch Vision for our pre-trained models and transforms, and Gradio, of course, for our demo app. So let's just make this straight off the bat. Write file, demos/Food Vision Mini. Now I'm going to be specific here with the versions. We don't necessarily need to explicitly say the versions of each software package that we need, but if we don't and some updates happen to Torch, Torch Vision, or Gradio in the future from the versions that we're currently using, our app may error. And I believe this needs a capital M. So let's just check what Torch version we're using. Version, and then Torch Vision, torchvision.version, and then Gradio or gr.version. Wonderful. So these are going to be the minimum versions for our app so that it works. So we want to install Torch 1.12.0. We could do 1.12.1, but I'm going to stick with 0.0. And then we're going to go Torch Vision 0.13.0. If you're watching this video way in the future, there may be Torch version 1. A higher number here, and a higher number here, and a higher number here. Don't worry too much. If there's any breaking changes, just let me know in the GitHub under discussions or issues, and I'll fix it up. But for now, we're going to stick with these versions, and then we'll go Gradio equals 3.1.4. Because when I first made this, Gradio's pretty fast. They release some updates pretty quickly. We're not missing out on too much functionality for using 3.1.4. I just know that our demo works using that version. So let's go there. Boom, look at that. I think we have everything we need. Look at that, that's a beautiful little app. So we could download that and upload that straight to Hugging Face Spaces. In fact, you might want to give that a go. New space, you can give it a name, a license, Gradio, etc., etc. We're going to do that in the next section. But for now, let me just get rid of those. We have got our Food Vision Mini demo outline. So we'll come back up here. Have we satisfied everything? Pre-trained model, yes. App.py, yes. Model.py, yes. Examples, yes, yes, yes. And requirements.txt, yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. I think there is but one, which is actually a few steps involved to upload all of these files to Hugging Face Spaces. In fact, you might want to give that a go. If we go to PyTorch model deployment, if you want to skip ahead, you can go to section number 9. There are two main options for uploading to a Hugging Face space. Uploading via the web interface, there's the documentation for that, or uploading via the command line or terminal. So check out those resources and give it a shot. Otherwise, in the next section, section 9, we're going to deploy our Food Vision Mini app to Hugging Face Spaces. So I'll see you there.